Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wilkes County in east central Georgia until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Maloryville, or 11 miles north of Washington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tignall, Jackson's Crossroads, Maloryville, Newtown, Delhi, Norman, Danburg, and Floral Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.